I don't talk that much, but here you go. Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna be building a 15K house. And I hope you enjoy saying hi. And I hope you guys enjoy this 15K house. Wow, my bills are $1. No, I meant to go to build mode. We're gonna go to pillars. Oh yeah. It's just tiring. As you guys can tell, it's almost 2:30. 2:20 actually, I'm sorry. There we go. It's gonna be one. It's not gonna be that expensive. I must let you know. As you can tell, I'm doing things already. Yeah, I'll do a part 2 of this. This house isn't finished. Why does it do that? Build. Oh, yeah. There we go. We're gonna go to this. Okay, I don't care about that right now. Of course, we're gonna add some floor. Right click. I'm right clicking. Oh my god. Okay, let's just do that later. Let's add a roof. Oh wait, no, I have a good one. Let's go to floor. Let's go to the second floor. Down to let you know. There you go. Now let's go to Windows. I will do those windows later. Wait, these are good windows. I should do these. There we go. Let's go to floor. Thank you. Okay, that's just weird. There we go. Dying to let you know. We're gonna paint this color. I just had the color that was beautiful. Okay, let's do that. I have a second floor, but I'm not gonna do a second floor 15K. I'm just gonna keep it casual. Okay, so now let's go to decorate. Let's go to beds, because we're gonna start off with the bed. We're going to start off. Time to let you know. There we go. And I'm not gonna do that yet, but now we can go to a plumbing. I'm gonna add then I'm gonna do some walls. Oh, I can't do that. And let's add walls. Sorry, my keyboard went out on me for a minute. Okay, I'll just do that. There we go. No, wait, I have a good idea. Build again walls. It's gonna be the same size. Oh well, this is like really pissing me off because I did not mean it for it to do that. There you go. Now we can go to walls. Now we can do that. We can go to windows. Sorry this is taking forever. I'm a really slow builder. It's hard breathing right now. Where's curtains? That's right there. Stop spinning, God. No, move. yeah, I'm not gonna be able to finish this. But why did I just do that? I did not mean to do that. I think it looks cute though. Now we can turn it around. Stop. There we go. Let's go to counters, I guess. This isn't that expensive. There we go. As you can tell, this is a small bathroom. Hold up, I don't know if I'm not gonna do that, never mind. Wait, I have a good idea. Move this toilet. Toilet, move. Stop, I don't want you. I'm down to let you know. And then the toilet can be there we go. And I don't know why this isn't working. Oh, probably because it's too big. And that's the bathroom. It's not done yet. Hold on. Let me know. Just go to decorations. I will do a part 2 as soon as this video is edited or something. Edited and posted. If I find it, oh yeah, it's right there. It was right in front of my eyes. I'm just trying to let you know. I think that's it. Oh, for that bathroom. Oh, as I need it, which is this one. Why do I say to the left? Let me. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Hold on. Well, that's it for this video. I would do a part 2. Well, probably. Or I'll show you when it's finished, because I'm gonna finish it off. Bye. Remember, you're always beautiful. And if you want to follow this account, it is Josh_is_cool_. Whatever. I'll do it in the next video, but bye.